Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making one of my favorites, mango pineapple hurricane. Before we begin, we want to add 2 minced lychee fruits per drink glass, 4 in total. This recipe makes 2 13.5 ounce or 400 ml drinks. 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 whole lychee fruits, 1/2 cup or 120 ml of lychee juice, 1.5 cups of frozen mango, 1.5 cups of ice, and there you have it, delicious mango pineapple hurricane. See you next time.